Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Asad, and welcome back to this series of Python for Everyone. We have been studying dictionaries, and we said it is unordered collection of items, and it could contain different data types, such as this key has a value of this string, this key has a value of this string, but this key has a value of integer, and this key has a value of a whole list, right? So if you're unsure how we got up till this point, please refer back to the last video. In this one, what I'm going to tell you is how to access the certain keys and values in there. So if you want to just access the keys in your dictionary, all you have to do is write the dictionary name dot keys. So once you do that, oh, I have to print it as well. Print. There you go. So it is literally saying that the dictionary keys are prophet, religion, direction, pillars, and alphabet. That's how it is, right? So similarly, if you want to actually print out the values, you could simply, instead of say keys, you could say values, and there you go. It will just print out all the values. But let's say you're not interested in keys, not values, but all of them, then is, as you might have guessed it, not keys and value, just items. Once you do that, it will literally print out everything for you there. Now, this is kind of important when you're looking for a for loop and trying to do certain things within your dictionary. Then it might be a good idea to actually get relevant information and try to work without. So this is how you can literally do keys, values, and items, right? Let's get started with these three ones. Let's say you want to find out a specific value of something. You want to say get me the religion, right? If I do that and print it, did you notice here? It literally gave me the value of that particular key. But what if I place something which is not in there? Let's say it could be God, right? And because I haven't defined it in my dictionary yet, so if I run it, do you see nothing is printed out? None. That there is none like it, right? Or there's another interesting thing. Let's say you're working with a really big dictionary and you run this code. You don't want it to be called none, but you want to call it, say, if nothing is written like that, say this is not defined yet, right? So if I run this particular code, you would notice that instead of none, it says this is not defined yet, because it is trying to get this particular key in there, and it can't find any. So rather than returning none, it will return whatever you provided with, right? So that's another good way of doing using the get function. You will notice in all of them that I'm writing my dictionary first, a dot, and all those functions: keys, values, items, get. The pop one is simply if you literally provide it with pop and provide, let's say I want to pop the last one, AHL YBAIT. Let me run this code, and you would notice here that it popped that one, the last, this one. Let me run the dictionary to actually show you the results. Now let's do that. There you go. So if you notice in the first one, what I did was, and because I'm not spending too much time because we already covered it in the strings, I'm just trying to remove this particular key from it. Now, because this is removed in the first step, that you can see all of this is being removed, in the second one, my dictionary actually finished up till the pillars point. It does not contain that, right? So that's how you can use the pop one. The last one is update. That's a quite good one. Let's say my dictionary is finished up till this point, and I have another dictionary, extra info equals to another dictionary. Now, I have two dictionaries, important info Islam, which contains up till pillars, extra info, which contains the last key value, and I want to join them together. All I have to do is write the name of the first dictionary, dot update, write the name of the second dictionary, which is extra info. Now, when I print this, oops, I didn't close something. In what? Extra info. Oh yeah, there has to be another bracket there. There you go. So now, once I have updated this, I can literally print out my important info Islam. There you go. Now, if you notice that before, important info Islam only contained prophet, religion, direction, and pillars. When I updated it with my extra info, my final dictionary, which is again important info Islam, the same name, but it has added towards it and the extra info as well. So that's how you could literally add a dictionary to another dictionary. So we have covered quite a lot, but let me just quickly go through. If you want to just retrieve the keys from your dictionary, all you have to do is use the dictionary dot keys, right? If you want to actually get the values, dictionary dot values. If you want to get all the items, you all have to do dictionary dot items. To add one dictionary to another, dictionary first dot update and within bracket dictionary 2. If you want to get some specific value of key, dictionary dot get and within bracket provide that key. And finally, if you want to pop something out, you literally do dictionary dot pop and write the name of the key you want to remove. Pause the video, try all of these functions and see how it works. Well done to those who have managed to do it. For those who couldn't, please drop down your comment below and we shall discuss it and try to debug it together. Till then, take care, keep practicing, and goodbye.